Hi, in this video I will show you how to change page orientation in Inkscape. There is one really simple method that may be really useful in different projects. So let's start with it. First thing you need to do is go to the left upper corner, and here we have File Bookmark. You need to click on this option, and here we have a lot of really important settings, but we are interested in to go to Document Properties. And like you see, this window has been successfully displayed here. Remember about that you can open this window by clicking Shift-Ctrl-D. Then this window will be displayed too. And now you need to go to Display Bookmark. It is very important because here you have a lot of really interesting settings. One of them is orientation, which I was looking for. So here we will choose one of the available orientation. I will click on horizontal orientation to show you results. So I click on it, and like you see, our orientation has been successfully changed. Now you can close this window and you are ready now to design your project. And it's everything in this graphic tutorial. If I helped you to resolve this problem, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my tutorials, and bye!